You heard it first on August 28, 1952. These were the words that echoed through the airwaves. The seeds of Henry R. Canoy's dream started to grow into a reality. The first station in Cagayan de Oro, DXCC, started broadcasting in 1952. And just 5 years later, stations in Iligan, Butuan, and Davao were born, the first stations of RMN. Through its first few decades of existence, RMN continued to expand throughout the country, gaining strong ground in Mindanao and moving into key areas in the Visayas, such as Cebu, Bacolod, Iloilo, and later on to Dumaguete, Rojas, and other areas. Slowly but surely, RMN began working its way up towards Luzon, making its home in the key areas of Manila, Baguio, Lawan, Dagupan, and Naga, enabling the network to reach across the whole region. In June 2007, 93.9 IFM Manila became the first commercial radio station in the Philippines to broadcast on the digital bandwidth, marking another RMN milestone. And now, on its 57th anniversary, RMN has indeed come far from her humble roots in Cagayan de Oro. The Tatak RMN standard that RMN has become known for. Real nationwide broadcasting, public service, and entertainment that goes beyond the usual is now encapsulated in RMN's new icon and logos. RMN continues to set the bar in radio broadcasting with a solid mix of national personalities on both FM and AM programming, as well as local programming and personalities that effectively puts it in real touch with the local station's host cities and provinces. Broadcasting excellence that has come to be known as Tatak RMN. Today, RMN has 31 AM and 20 FM fully functioning stations across the country. A true nationwide network consisting of stations with a full staff of DJs, news anchors and commentators, reporters and broadcast staff spanning Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and even as far as New York, USA. Tatak RMN of AM broadcasting that is now known for truly responsive public service that other networks could only try to emulate. Tatak RMN of FM broadcasting that is now known for happy entertainment that has become the benchmark in successful FM broadcasting. with our list of partners, you can count on RMN growing stronger.